Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can integrate your Gmail account into your account on Trello really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to Trello, log into your account, select your workspace in the top left corner. And to add your Gmail account or to link your account on Trello with your inbox on Gmail, what you will need to do, guys, is select your board here from the left hand side and click on these three dots in the top right corner and head over to Power Ups here on the right hand side. And here what you want to do, guys, is use the search bar and simply type in, for example, Gmail, just like that. Select Gmail from that list of suggestions here. After that, make sure that you read through the description. However, guys, to set up your Gmail integration, simply follow my instructions, click on configure here. After that, you'll be redirected to the Google Workspace Marketplace. So what you want to do is click on install here next to Trello for Gmail, click on install. Give your permission to do that by clicking on continue to link both of your accounts. After that, make sure that you log in with your associated Gmail or Google account. And that's also almost it. Confirm by clicking on continue here. Make sure that you give Trello all the necessary permissions to gain access to your Gmail inbox, just like that. So click on allow here. And last but not least, wait for the integration process to be finished. And there you go, click on done here. And that's basically it. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.